spot.
Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the power volume button circuit board from a Dell Latitude 13 version 3379. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and remove bottom base. Now unscrew battery. Next, unscrew and remove battery. Next, unscrew circuit board. Now disconnect and remove power volume button circuit board. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.